Next is area of trapezium. How to find out area of trapezium? This is trapezium, right? These are two parallel sides, say A and B. Okay, this is called the height of the trapezium. Then how to find out area of trapezium? Its formula will be, see, we can convert it into two triangles, right? We can convert it into two triangles, and the area of triangle is half into base into height. If I take this triangle, then area is half into base into this height, right? If I take this triangle, then area is half into base is here A into height. Okay, in this triangle also half into base into height, where base is A, here the base is B. If you add these area of these two triangles, अगर आप इन दोनों triangle का area add करो तो half into A into H plus half into B into H. Take common half and H. Half be common, H be common. What is left inside? A plus B. अगर आप यहाँ से half of H बाहर ले लेंगे outside, what is left inside? A plus फिर यहाँ से आप H और half common ले लेंगे, so what is left inside? B. So this is the area of the trapezium here now. Half into A plus B into H. Half into sum of parallel sides into height is the formula to find out area of trapezium, right? Then rhombus. It's also same as the parallelogram. So its area is also same. If this is base, this is height. Then area of rhombus is base into height. Area of rhombus is equal to base into height. Parallelogram में आप corresponding height लेते हैं because two sides are different. इसमें all sides equal है, so it's simply base into height. And one more area of this rhombus, one more formula is also there. If we have given two diagonals, say D1 and D2, okay, D1 into D2, then area of the rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. This is the area of the rhombus, half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay, other formula is base into height, and the next is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 if we have given two diagonals. Okay, and you all know area of square, side into side, area of rectangle, length into breadth. So in this exercise we are going to use the area of mainly trapezium and rhombus. Okay, so let's start exercise 11.2 now on the basis of these two formulas. Which two formulas we have done here new? First of all, area of trapezium, that is half into sum of parallel sides into height, and area of rhombus, which is already equal to same as the parallelogram, so area is equal to base into height, but when diagonals are given, then the area is half into D1 into D2, right? Okay, then next exercise, let's start. The shape of top surface of a table is a trapezium. Let's see exercise 11.2. One more formula is left here. Let's do first that. See, one more is left. There is one more formula, that is area of general quadrilateral. If we have given general quadrilateral, no trapezium, nothing, no rectangle, no properties here, only a general quadrilateral. Then how to find out area of the general quadrilateral? तो उसमें आपके पास होगा, say this is height 1, this is height 2, This is the base. Okay, you can say diagonal. If you have given diagonal, अगर आपके पास general quadrilateral होगा, कोई trapezium या parallelogram नहीं है, तो आपके पास इधर diagonal given होगा और साथ में heights given होंगी उस diagonal के ऊपर. Diagonal given होगा और diagonals की two corresponding heights given होंगी. Then area of these two. See, यहाँ पे भी दो triangles बन रही हैं. If I say this triangle, then area of this is half into d into h1. ठीक है? D is the base here, h1 is the height here. So area is half into d into h1 plus. ऐसे ही similarly other triangle का area half into d into h2. हाफ इंटू डी इंटू एच टू एड कर दो, हाफ कॉमन डी कॉमन ले लो, it will be h1 plus h2. So this is the area of the general quadrilateral. If we have given one of the diagonal and two of the heights, then the area of quadrilateral is half into diagonal into height 1 plus height 2. Okay, then let's start exercise 11.2. Here in this exercise, first question, you have given the shape of the top surface of table is a trapezium. Here you have given the picture of table where the top surface is trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are given 1 meter and 1.2 meter and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Okay, so here you are to find out the area of the trapezium where the sides are given, parallel sides are given 1 and 1.2 and the height is given 0.8. So how to find out area? By using formula. Formula of to find out area is half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into A is given here 1.2, B is given here 1, you can take, into height is given 0.8. Okay, solve it. First you will solve the bracket here. 1 by 2 into 2.2 into 0.8. Solve it. If you will cancel, you will get here 1.1. It's 2.1 as it's 2.1. So it will be, when you will cancel by 2, it will be 1.1. Then 1.1 into 0.8 is equal to 0.88 meters square. So the area is 0.88 meters square. 11 into 8, 88. There are two numbers after decimal, so it will, in answer, there should be after decimal two numbers. So it will be 0.88 meter square. Let's move to next question. Question number 2 is, the area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one of the parallel sides is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Here you have given this figure of the trapezium where area is already given here. Sorry, this is not the figure of, it's for the next. Here you have given area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square. Length of one parallel side is given 10 centimeter. Height is given 4 centimeter. You are to find out length of other parallel side. So how to do this question? Area is already given here, but we will use the formula of area, right? So area of trapezium is given here 34 centimeter square. Use the formula here. What is the formula to find out area? Half into sum of parallel sides into height is equal to 34. Half into first side is given here 10. Other side you have to find out, let's take it as x. Let's take it as x into height is given here 4 is equal to 34. We will use the formula here as we have given area but we have not given one side. So we'll take it as x. और b के प्लेस पे हमने रख दिया x. Now let's solve it. 10 plus x you will write down as it is equal to 34. 2 will be multiplied other side as it is divided, and 4 will be divided this side. Okay, let's take the constant to the other side. Now cancel it. 17. So 10 plus x is equal to 17. X is equal to 17 minus 10 is equal to 7. So length of other parallel side is 7 centimeter. Length of other parallel side is 7 centimeter. Right? This was question number 2.